What's going on, everybody? Really excited to be doing this video. The gardening season for 2025 is officially set off. We're out here doing some work, getting some garden beds ready, doing some rototilling. Stuff is growing in the greenhouse. It is a beautiful time and a beautiful day. We are 13 days away from official day of spring starting. I've been out here doing some work. Let's take a look. So I'm honestly kind of in shock to be doing this video. Winter time's coming to an end. The time of sitting indoors, those long days, is coming to an end. If you're new to the videos, I'm Scotty. I live out in the Idaho, Nampa area. This is some of the garden that you're seeing. A lot of work's been going on here. We moved here last year. We've got a lot of big plans. If you watched the last video where I left off, I had been getting the blackberries going, and we're in the making of getting the cinder blocks to get ready to do our garden beds. So what we're going to be doing out here, basically I just rototilled some of the areas where we're going to do the blocks. We're going to stack them one high, dig out little footings for them. This over here, this fence line is where the raspberries are. So we're just kind of going through smoothing this out. We're going to do cinder blocks, stack them one high in front of these, creating a bed for these so that we can put mulch and good soil in those to get them really a lot of nutrients to them and really get them going. And they're actually starting to grow. These raspberry plants I got from the last house, and really excited to see that they're starting to bud. I don't know if you could see them, but very little, but there's a little bit of greenery on there. This fence line, all in all, is 173 feet long. Most of it's planted with raspberries already up to this point. So this will be all filled in eventually. I'm thinking by the end of this season, when more of these sprouts come up and I can transplant them. So let's take a look in the greenhouse. Happy to say that one of the blackberry seeds is finally sprouted. It took over 3 weeks. In the beginning, I just didn't have it in here warm enough in here for them. I ended up putting them inside on heat mats, and they needed a little more sunlight, but right now it's staying warm enough in here to get seeds going. It's actually right now in here a toasty 82 degrees. These are some plants that got overwintered, some flowers. They're starting to come to life. I planted some kale in here just to test the waters to see if they'd sprout up, and sure enough they did within about 5 days. So I'll let these get a little bit bigger and then thin these out. Our next colder weather crops are going to be broccoli and possibly Brussels sprouts. Those will go out, and we will have one or two of our garden beds dedicated to that. So right now, we've got seniors actually in the making of picking up our first load of cinder blocks on some pallets. We're going to get these going and get the beds built here. And then we're going to move over to here. We're going to be clearing all this area out, and we're going to do garden beds in here also. And then we're going to do them in this area of the yard also, up to about that fence to where my tiny home is. A lot going on. I also want to show the blackberry fence project, blackberry fence progress. And over here we have the blackberry fence. The T-posts are all pretty well installed. The next phase is going to be taking out a 2-foot section of this grass so that we can have the blackberries grow there without interfering with the blackberries. This is 145 feet long, roughly. We have our archways, 3 of them. This is going to be awesome when this gets going. So we'll have a lot of blackberries going here. And then the next thing I want to show you is the fence on the other side we've been working on. Okay, up at the entranceway at the house, this was actually a project my dad and my brother did. This is just basically like a beauty wall. I'm not sure exactly what you'd call it, but the plan is we're going to be growing vines on this, a flowering vine that can basically just take over this fence, grow out, and just kind of go crazy. Probably gonna plant trumpet vines here. So this is in the making next to be planted, and we have a sprinkler company that's going to come do some drip lines for us, and this is one of the fences that's going to have the drip line. So that's one of the things going on. And over here, pretty much the opposite side of the garden, we've been putting the T-posts in on this side to get our yard fenced in. Let's kind of take a look. This is in the making. You can see the T-posts. So this is going to be all T-posted in and put a wire fence, and we're going to be pulling this all out and doing a bunch of stuff there, but that's a whole other video that's in the future. That'll be it for now. There's going to be videos coming regularly now because stuff is growing. There's a lot to show. Hope other people are out there getting their gardens ready also. That'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.